Alright, listen. Yes, sir. Alright, we're done.
Alright, low key, start loosening this a little bit.
Oh shit. We gotta loosen the fuck up. Take that one off.
I don't think we do.
No.
My
We're not
car
touching that
did
shit.
that.
Damn. Boy, you fucked up the angle. Oh, hell no. If you don't get that shit out my face, I'm gonna fucking smack the shit out of you. God damn it. I took these shits out.
Dog, come here real quick.
Light work. Look at this. Easy. Oh, look. Look at this. Look at this. Look. No. You're not even on frame yet. Hold up. Hold up. I'm not holding it correctly. Hold up.
Yo, shitty ass screws.
Shitty screws. This shit from Diane. Where the fuck is from? Shitty ass handwork.
Shitty ass screws.
Oh my god. He stripped the shit. Oh.
Fucking hell, bro.
Got that bitch on. Yes, sir. We just connected this. I didn't record that shit.
Yeah, that's not. Here you go.
Alright, man, she got this shit out. You know what? I'm not gonna. There we go. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. We got the fucking stupid ass piece, bro. What?
Hey, great news.
There it is. That's what I like to feel. Yeah. Fucking seal it, not loosey goosey. You can make a comment. Comment from
So, you
Bennett.
see?
Comment from Bennett.
This shit is chipped because this fucker gave me the
Alright.
wrong OEM screws,
Oh, who picked
and
the
I
screws
later
up?
found out about the different screws.
Yeah, you know. Why
it-
did you use the screws in the packaging, huh?
You the fucking shoe. I told you right there,
the packaging, you motherfucker. Oh my
Alright.
god, stripping my
Alright,
shit. You
so
see?
we gonna remove this shit. And
Most
we'll be back.
expensive part I ever bought for a car. You fucking stripping that shit. We got a problem now. Dinan, where the fuck this company is? This cover is blocking this shit. What the fuck? Alright, I guess we'll do that next time. I'm not gonna worry about that no more.
Ready?
Yep.
Wrap it up.